Okay, so this is a part 2 repair video. So you saw how we stripped it out. This is what it looks like now, repaired. So it's some 3/16 inline repair there. So we bought this pack off eBay. I don't know, about 6 or 7 quid I think they were for a pack of 20. Not very expensive. So basically what you need to do is you just cut the pipe where you want to do. You put the inline in with the 2 ferrules. This is steel pipe. We've converted to copper, so just feed it in underneath the bottom. It's obviously gone underneath the bottom of the car. We've had to tie wrap up a couple of the clips because it's a bit loose in the old plastic clips. It might have been why it's corroded previously, where it's been rubbing or chafing. The other existing pipe, we've just put a bit of grease on it. The other steel, the original one, we've just greased it up, and the fitting on the end there. It's already had new brakes on the back, new discs and pads. So yeah, so that's it. So now it'll just be a case of going around the other side, which will look something like this. Bleed nipple, and then we'll just need to bleed the brakes as you would bleed the brakes normally on any car. But yeah, but that's what it looks like. Easy repair. We used a Blue Point flaring tool, homemade flaring tool. Really easy, but you can get a sort of cheap thing version of that on eBay. Alright, cheers, thanks for looking, bye.